What is acupuncture?
Acupuncture is the insertion of stainless steel, sterile, disposable, that's the law in Tennessee, filaments, needles, into certain areas of the body.
How does it work?
We have energy within us. It has natural pathways that were figured out over 3,000 years ago. These pathways have little reservoirs of energy, and those are the acupuncture points. And we stimulate those points, and that elicits an effect of energy flow, which leads the body toward balance so that symptoms will abate or resolve.
Do the needles hurt?
There is a sensation. The initial insertion is quick, it goes to the skin fast, so you don't get those little pricklies. But it is a metal object that could potentially cause a little bit of a sticking sensation. That can be a bit painful, but the sensation once we stimulate energy is usually a little bit of an ache in the area or a little tingle, and that's a good thing. That's an energy sensation, so we differentiate. If you do feel the needle, the prickle part, it goes away instantaneously.
What is a typical treatment?
Let's start with the first initial visit. That initial visit has an extensive interview and an exam. I then select points based on classic patterns, if you will, of energy flow, what points I need to stimulate. So I insert needles on those points. Then they would typically lie on my table for 25 to 30 minutes. Then after that, I pull the needles and we work out a treatment plan.
How many treatments are necessary?
Plan on a handful initially, especially if something's chronic. If somebody's had a condition for 20 years, it may take several months actually to get significant benefit. It's totally individual. Superficial things like an invasion or like a cold only takes 1 or 2 treatments to clear. Those are not deep-rooted imbalances.
What can acupuncture treat?
The World Health Organization lists over 120 things that acupuncture can treat. Again, any pain, whether it be headache, neck, any joint pain, back, any pain in all can be treated. Digestive issues can be treated. Insomnia can be treated.
What are some of the health benefits for seniors?
It really enhances one's immune system. That's a plus. The Arthritis Foundation mandated all their chapters supported acupuncture and Qigong because they found the benefit. So it helps with keeping, pain, of course, but keeping joints fluid, which in turn helps with mobility. A sense of well-being is enhanced 100% of the time, and that's a big plus. You know, this day and age, there seems to be so much. So if you can feel better, just in general, that's a plus to start with.
Can acupuncture replace pain pills?
It's becoming more and more accepted and utilized, and now even insurance coverage for acupuncture to get people off the addictive aspect of narcotics. That's the other thing. Acupuncture has never been shown to be addictive, but people love the benefit.
For more information, go to the website of the National Institutes of Health and search for their acupuncture web pages.